So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today's topic of reading is on a very interesting topic. So आज की रीडिंग में हम ये देखने वाले हैं कि is this person playing with you? ठीक है, तो ये पर्सन आपके इमोशंस के साथ प्ले कर रहे हैं या ये एक जेन्युइन पर्सन है? ठीक है, सो रीडिंग इज गोना बी जनरल, टेक व्हाटएवर रेजोनेट्स एंड लीव द रेस्ट. ठीक है, सो वी आर गोना चेक कि is this person genuine or is this person playing with your emotions? ठीक है, is this person really genuine for you or this person playing with your emotions? So let me check. Intuitively pick up the messages which you feel is are right for you. ठीक है, don't take beyond what your intuition feels is right. ठीक है, क्योंकि messages are for everyone. Reading is completely general. Don't go beyond what your intuition feels is for you. ठीक है, क्योंकि this is a general reading and general reading mostly resonate with a lot of people, but it might not resonate with the some people. ठीक है, if you feel it's not resonating with you, you can watch another videos which are available on my channel, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. In the upcoming future, more videos are gonna be uploaded on this channel, and you're gonna get a lot of idea. ठीक है, a lot of idea about the situation, a lot of guidance from the universe. ठीक है, so do subscribe my channel, and we are gonna start with the reading. Ki what is this person playing with your emotions? Is this person playing with your emotions? Universe, please batao. Is this person playing with my viewers' emotions? Is this person a playboy or playgirl? Is this person playing with my viewers' emotions? Okay, Page of Cups. Okay, I don't see any committal energies on this person's end. Whatever I feel is not committal on this person's end. If you feel for the point of view of a true relationship, um, I feel you are more genuine as compared to this person. This person is not really serious for you. As much as you believe this person is serious for you, this person isn't. Okay, this person is not serious for you. Might be this person would have come out from some deadlock, some third party situation, some, I feel this person is very defensive at the moment. Okay, this person is not ready to come into a relationship because they really have come out from some situation. I feel some from some past relationship, I guess, but they are not really ready for a relationship. They have feelings for you, like they have a soft corner for you, but as a friend, not as relationship wise. You are more committed to them, you have more sincere emotions for them as compared to they have for you. ठीक है, they are for most of you, I feel this person is just using you to move on from their ex, because I see some ex here. ठीक है, some third party here, some ex of whom they are thinking about right now. ठीक है, they are not they are really defensive as they don't want to be in a relationship with someone else. ठीक है, I feel they are just using you to come out of this deadlock which they had with their ex. I feel for some of you, this ex is still there in their life. Okay, there could be no contact, there could be less contact with this person, or a breakup I see for with this person. But I see this person is like having some past with this person, in which this person is lost in the memories of that person. Okay, some this person is lost in the memories of their ex. Okay, they are not sincere as you consider them to be with you. ठीक है, they are with their ex, they are emotionally connected to their ex right now. They are more sincere to their ex right now, and they are lost in the memories of their ex. ठीक है, I feel that way. ठीक है, because they are wondering about their ex. ठीक है, whatever happened, whatever situations occurred between this person and their ex, they are just lost in those situations, those memories, rewinding all those memories again and again, back and forth. I can see that. ठीक है, तो and when anyone tries to ask them about their ex or something, about if you want to ask, maybe you would have asked this person or someone else would have asked this person, so this person gets defensive at that very moment, and would have reacted very aggressively at that moment. Okay, as this person doesn't want to talk about that person. Yeah, this person, again I said defensiveness, I can see this person is like really doesn't want to talk about their ex. Okay, this person is not maybe if you ask more about this ex, okay, this person is not ready to tell you about this ex or something. This person is being really defensive at the moment. I feel you are more genuine to this person. You want a relationship from this person, and this you are really genuine to this person, and you are offering your true love of emotions to this person. You are reliable, and you want to take this relationship ahead. But from this person's end, this person is not really serious for you. They just consider you as a good friend of them, but not really seriousness on their end. They feel good spending time with you. They feel really good, but they're not ready to take it ahead, and they're basically, I feel for majority of you, this person is just using you to move on from their ex. Okay, just because they want to move on from their ex, uh, they don't want to think much about their ex, whatever happened between this person and ex. So they are using you as a medium to escape from the memories of their ex. Whatever past they had with their ex, this person wants, they are using you as a medium to, escape from the memories uh, which they had with their ex, and they're like rewinding it again and again in their mind now. So they want an escape medium to escape this situation, to escape the memories of their ex. They are using you, so that if they spend more time with you, they are not able to think about their ex and their memories with their ex. So they are using you. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर this person is just using you to, escape as a medium of escape. ठीक है, from the situation, I feel. ठीक है. Yeah, again, clarification, Six of Cups. So they could be having 4 to 6 years of relationship with this ex, but I see something strong with this ex. Relationship in years, basically, not more than 2 years, not less than 2 years. Okay, more than 2 years, 6 years, a long relationship they have, left behind. Okay, they had left behind, and they're like moving forward, but still stuck on those memories. Okay, still stuck on those memories. This person wants to move on, but this person isn't able to move on because that person was a wish fulfillment. This person wants something with them. ठीक है, दिस पर्सन रियली लव्स देम. ठीक है, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये मेमोरीज में स्टक है, तो ये पर्सन बहुत ज्यादा मेमोरीज में स्टक है अपने एक्स की. ये अपने एक्स की मेमोरीज में से निकल नहीं पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सिक्स ऑफ कप्स इन वर्ड्स यही शो कर रहा है कि ये अपने एक्स की मेमोरीज से निकल नहीं पा रहे हैं. नॉट एबल टू फाइंड एन एस्केप मीडियम. ठीक है, जब ये आपसे बात करते हैं तो दे आर यूजिंग यू कि वो निकल पाए. ठीक है, तो आपसे बात कर पाते तो उस टाइम पे ये अपने एक्स के बारे में नहीं सोच पाते हैं. ठीक है, तो नहीं तो ये अपने एक्स की मेमोरीज अगेन एंड अगेन दिमाग में बैक एंड फोर्थ चलाते रहते हैं. ठीक है, अगेन दिस पर्सन इज वेरी डिफेंसिव. अगर आपने इनसे इनके एक्स के बारे में या इनके पास्ट के बारे में पूछा है, तो दिस पर्सन गॉट रियली डिफेंसिव एज दे डिडंट वांट टू टॉक एनीथिंग अबाउट देयर एक्स, क्योंकि ये इनको बहुत ज्यादा ट्रिगर करता है. ठीक है, इनका एक्स इनको बहुत ज्यादा ट्रिगर करता है. एंड आप ना इस पर्सन को बहुत ज्यादा जेन्युइन लगते हो, बहुत ज्यादा गुड लुकिंग लगते हो. दिस पर्सन इज लाइक वेरी मच अट्रैक्टेड टू यू, बट दिस पर्सन इज लाइक नॉट एबल टू मूव ऑन फ्रॉम देयर एक्स. वही चीज नजर आ रही है, बहुत ज्यादा स्टक है. ठीक है, घूम फिर के दिस पर्सन कम्स बैक टू देयर एक्स. ठीक है, last thought is all about their ex. ठीक है, they end up thinking about their ex only, even though they are trying to move on from this situation, but again they end up in their थिंकिंग अबाउट देयर एक्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कोई थर्ड पर्सन भी हो सकता है जो इनको थोड़ा नेगेटिवली इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा हो आपके अगेंस्ट. ठीक है, या मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई थर्ड पर्सन इनको अपने एक्स की तरफ खींच रहा हो. लाइक दिस पर्सन इज मोर ड्रॉन टुवर्ड्स देयर एक्स, सो देयर कुड बी सम थर्ड पर्सन हु इज इन्फ्लुएंसिंग दिस पर्सन टू think more about their ex, or they are giving some negative, they are telling certain negative things about you. ठीक है, so that this person is not attracted to you, or you don't develop a relationship. This person could be your secret admirer as well, but I feel some person is saying some negative word of mouth about you. ठीक है, तो I feel that way. ठीक है, and this person isn't discussing it with you, but there is some person, maybe from their past or from their, I don't know. They could be, this person could be a very good friend of this person. This person is, telling negative mouth about you. Okay, negative things about you. Okay, negative things, you can take negative word of mouth. They are speaking about you, as this person doesn't want your the person with whom you are interested to move on with you. So this person is, saying certain negative things about you, certain negative mouth of words about you, so that this person doesn't think about you or moves on with you. ठीक है, ठीक है, ये चीज मेरे को नजर आ रही है. यूनिवर्स प्लीज यहाँ पर थोड़ा क्लैरिटी दो. ओके, pattern of relationship issue, bad habits, no win situation. So this person thinks ki there's no scope of this relationship, that's why this person wants to move on with you. But again, this person is not again genuine with you right now. Might be they might get genuine, they might get serious for you in the upcoming time when you both spend more of time together. So this person might develop some serious emotions for you, but right now this person has more serious emotion for their ex. If they are in a relationship with you, they are not serious with you, they are still thinking about their ex, they are more into the memories of their ex. Okay, they are if this person I feel if this ex if their ex comes back into the situation, then it would be a problem, it would be a third party situation and a complicated situation too. ठीक है, तो वो चीज नजर आ रही है. And pattern of relationship is this person has faced a lot of negative relationships in their life, so they have trust issues as well. So this person feels ki they won't be able to move on with you. ठीक है, cut both ways, good and bad aspect, missed blessings. So this person would have given you some mixed, you know mixed signals as well in the situation ki you won't have got a clarity what this person exactly wants. But I see a relationship, an initial relationship with this person. You might be having some initial relationship with this person. ठीक है, like you would be in an initial um, phase of relationship with this person. ठीक है, initial phase of relationship with this person, you might be in an initial phase of relationship with this person. But I don't feel ki this person has really sincere to you or really committed to you. This person has soft corner for you, soft emotions for you, but more on the side of playing. ठीक है, more on the side of using you to get out of that ex thing. ठीक है, because they want to move on from their ex, they don't want to think much about their ex, they are continuously thinking about their ex, so they don't want to think about their ex, so they are just using you to uh, get out of this constant thinking. ठीक है, they don't want to think constantly, so they are using you so that they don't think constantly about their ex. ठीक है, they don't get lost in their own thoughts. ठीक है, negativity, as I said, this person is like involved in their own negativity, they are not able to you know get out of this. Like a dark cloud above, you are depressed, extreme moods. So this person is depressed, so as a medium to get out of this depression, this person is using you. Again I said, ठीक है. Okay, it's take two. Someone is not committed, incompatible, conflicted. As I said, cards ने भी बोल दिया. Other lovers, again confirmation. So yes, it takes two. Someone is not committed, incompatible, conflicted. As I said, yeah, cards ने भी बोल दिया. Is this person is not committed? You can have a look at the card. मेरी जो reading हुई, it's this card confirms whatever I said. ठीक है, it takes two. ठीक है, तो ये person बोल रहे हैं कि it takes efforts from both the sides. It's not only you who is giving your 100% into this relationship, it's the responsibility of this other person as well to give their 100% into the relationship. This is how the relationship works. If this person is not able to come out of that relationship, then you are the one who is giving your 200% into this relationship, and this relationship won't go ahead because this person is not committed to you. Even though you are in a relationship, they are lost in the thoughts of some other person, right? So I feel this person is not committed, and as the card said, it's incompatible. Other loves are here. ठीक है, other loves is here. ठीक है, still involved with the past cheating, secret affections. So they are still involved, even if you don't know, even if this person is telling ki they don't love their ex, even if this person is showing ki they have no feelings for their ex, they are having feelings for their ex, they are really thinking about their ex, they are serious about their ex. And if you think ki they would have lied you, I feel if they have lied you in the upcoming future, they would be exposed and you will get to know about this ex whom they are not telling it, whom they are not telling you. ठीक है, ठीक है, this person is gonna be exposed and you will see the whole situation, you will get the whole realization of the situation, what all is going about. You'll get the clarity, I see. ठीक है, upcoming in the upcoming days I see the clarity coming your way, but at that moment you would be very hurt. You'll get the clarity, but you would be very hurt, even though this person is telling you ki they are not with this third person, they are not having feelings for this third person. This person is having feelings for this person. This person is just hiding it. This person doesn't want to show it to you. They are just using you to move on. But in the upcoming, if you don't trust this person, if you like blindly trusting this person, so the universe is telling that this person would be exposed in the upcoming days, and at that moment you would be very hurt. So it's better that I think this person is hiding a lot of things from you. In the heart, I can see the heart is covered with something. So I feel this person is hiding a lot of things with you, from you. Okay, this person is hiding a lot of things. You are not aware about a lot of things which you really not you really need to hear. Like, you really need to know about this person. This person is hiding a lot of things from you. You don't know exactly about them. Okay, you need to know about them. Okay, you need to find more information about them, as this person is hiding. Okay, this person is very smart. Okay, this person is hiding, so you need to find more information about them and find more about their ex, because they are not telling you exactly what's going on in this situation. They are just giving you an illusion as if they are very committed to you, they are sincere to you, they are moving on with you. This is all bullshit. They are not actually committed to you. They are just faking you. Okay, if they are showing you they truly love you, they are still involved in with their ex. I feel for some of you, this person is with their ex, and also having relationship with you, cheating you also, and with their ex also. They are this person is not necessarily their ex. This person might not necessarily be their ex. I feel with this person could be their boyfriend or girlfriend also, and they are having relationship with you also. So they are having two relationships at a time. So this person is definitely cheating you, I feel. So you really need to get that. Maybe this person shows themselves as very spiritually, you know, superior, okay, as a very spiritually awakened person, but this is all fake. Okay, this person is faking their personality as someone who is very spiritual person. This person is faking themselves. If this person shows themselves as they are very spiritually awakened, this person is faking, I feel. This person is just wants to show themselves ki they are very good, but they are actually not good. So I feel this person is just playing with your emotions, and they are showing you an illusion, and you are more sincere, more genuinely committed to you. You are more committed to them. Okay, यहाँ पर I am getting two types of energy. One energy I can feel कि they are moving on from their ex. This person has an ex, and one energy I am getting कि this person is playing with they are already in a relationship with this person. This person is not exactly their ex. This is the person with whom they are in relationship with, and also they are faking their relationship with you. Like, they are having two relationships at a time. Two relationships at a time, one with you and one with this person. And that's what I can see at this very moment. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe. If you want to get the exact clarity, you can get that personalized reading done by me, Predictions by Sia. You can DM me on Instagram, Predictions by Sia. Links are on the descriptions. When you scroll the description down, ठीक है, description के नीचे scroll करोगे, there you will get Predictions by Sia. With there you will find the mark of Instagram too. There you can press on the Instagram and DM me on Instagram and also follow me on Instagram. मैं या मेरी टीम होंगी, would revert back to you. You can get a personalized reading book via Instagram. ठीक है, आप मेरे से करवा सकते हो अगर आप करवाना चाहते हो, या आप जिससे भी करवाना चाहो intuitively, you can get reading done by them. या आप मेन चैनल के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी जा सकते हो, वहां पर भी इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक अवेलेबल है. मेन चैनल के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सारी डिटेल्स है प्रेडिक्शंस बाय सिया के बारे में. There you can find the link for Instagram as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe.